Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily turn on notification sound in WhatsApp app. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and let's get down to the topic. So, in order to enable notification sound in WhatsApp app, you will need to open your phone settings. Next, go to the notifications section. And here, scroll down until you find the WhatsApp app and navigate to it. And now you will be able to find such a section here, which is called Sounds. And as you can see, it's turned off. If you have it turned off as well, then you will just need to turn it on. Just like this. And I also recommend making sure that you have sound turned on your iPhone. To do that, you'll need to check the button that's right up here at the top, above the top sound button. And if you have the sound turned off, then you'll just need to move it pause so that the sound on your phone is turned on. That's how it is. Friends, you can very easily turn on the notification sound in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video has been helpful for you. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.